This is Troy Hopkins, Director of Undergraduate Career Counseling at the Rockwell Career Center, C.T. Bauer College of Business. This video is a walkthrough on how to make an appointment to see a career counselor at the Rockwell Career Center. Career counseling appointments can be scheduled through your Bauer Career Gateway account that is accessible from AccessUH or through hirebauer.com by clicking on the red button that says Students. You must select a major in Gateway in order for the counselor's availability to come up in the system. If you are still pre-business, you can choose up to 3 options for your major in Gateway and proceed from there. From the Gateway homepage, under the Career Counseling header, click Request a Career Counseling Appointment link, or click the Calendar tab along the left menu of the page and then click the Counseling Appointment link. Then click the Request New Appointment button on the left side of the page. Select the appropriate type, date, and/or counselor, and then click Check Availability. Click on the counselor and date links for the appointments that come up on the right side of the page. Fill in the pop-up box and click Submit Request. You will receive a confirmation email and the appointment will show up in your Gateway calendar. If you do not see any slots available in the system, you may also contact your career counselor by email by checking our website at this page. In addition, for short questions, we have drop-in career counseling on the following schedules: Monday and Tuesdays from 2 to 4 p.m., Wednesdays and Thursdays from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. These drop-in sessions are now being conducted by Zoom, and the links are available on our website. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to chat with us on our website, hirebauer.com, during regular business hours. Email us at any time at hirebauer@uh.edu, or drop us a note on any of our social medias, at hirebauer on Twitter and Facebook, at hire_Bauer on Instagram. Thanks, and have a great day.